I see you. Awkward. This is the U.S. Army tri-wheeler. This is all the same. We just read that on the previous box. This is a tri-wheeler. Is that cool, right?
Yeah.
Some guns are the same, actually.
What's the difference between a tri-wheeler and a bike?
The tri-wheeler has three wheels, I think. And it looks like a motorcycle, okay? Won't you get this feeling? Won't you get this feeling? Ah! Chillin'. Oh. Kind of ripped it. It's another background. Think it's probably the same.
Yeah, most likely.
Why did it put tape? This is a gun. So much tape. I hate this. Why they put tape? They scared of thrillers. Tri-wheeler really has 3 wheels. Proof.
You want to close up?
Later, tater. I'm gonna break your hand soon. Finally. Yeah, we got this thing with the guns. We got the soldier. Got the bigger gun. We got the tri-wheeler. Why did I sound like another accent?
I don't know.
I'm like a cowgirl or a cowboy accent.
Well, we don't need to unpack this one. Actually, this is exactly the same with the last one, right?
No, it's not.
I thought it was exactly the same.
No, it's not. There were more pistols in the other one. Okay? Let me try to get the walkie-talkie out because I can get it out every single time. I just twist it around. This is walkie-talkie. Perfect fit. Now I have 2. Help.
What you want to get
I'm
from?
going to try to put the tri-wheeler on.
He can sit on it.
He can
He can ride on it.
ride on it, but he can't put his hand on it. You'll be chillin'. Oh, chillin' like a villain. Have you ever watched Descendants movies? I watched 3 of them. I have Descendants 1 and Descendants 2 DVD at home, but I'm in a hotel, so I can't watch it. I haven't watched it in like a few weeks, like a few years. How old am I? I'm 8. I thought I forgot. I almost forgot.
And your summer vacation start, right?
Yeah. And my exams, I was number 1. I'm smart. But I'm not really. Just Link. He doesn't really say. Yay! Can you hold the pistol? Hold this one. Hold this one fast, soldier. Baby, stop it. I hear my sister already. Done. Yeah!
Close up.
Done. Next thing, walkie-talkie. Pistol 1. Another gun. Bigger pistol. Then baby number 3, smallest pistol. Then the soldier. Biggest gun. No, it's like the second biggest. Now, the tri-wheeler. The tri-wheeler. The tri-wheeler. The tri-wheeler. See ya. Peace.